Hola, clase. I'm glad to have you back again. Today's lesson is about números, or numbers. For your audio assignment this week, you'll need to record yourself saying the numbers from 0 to 20, or 0 a 20, in Spanish. Let's go over the numbers together. Numbers 1 through 10 are probably very familiar to you, having learned them as a child, or maybe on a television show. Let's go over them together, starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last lesson, we talked about pronunciation and the alphabet. Practicing your numbers is a great way to reinforce vowel pronunciation and a few of the different consonants. Let's look at the letter se, for example. You see the letter se in 0, 4, and 5. But in 2 of the words, it's pronounced s, whereas in the other, it's pronounced k. The letter se, when followed by e or I, makes a s sound. When followed by any other letter, it makes a k sound. You'll see the se-h combination in the word ocho, and it sounds the same as it does in English. Ch. Another important thing to point out is the pronunciation of zeta. In Spanish, there are no reverberated sounds, so there's no v and no z sound. So the letter v, like in nueve, sounds like a b, not a v. And the letter zeta, as in 10, sounds like s instead of z. Take note also of the different vowel combinations. For example, in 6 y 7, you'll notice that there's an e and an I, and then an I and an e. Remember that all vowels are pronounced, and they need to be pronounced in the correct order. So this number is 6, whereas this one is 7. Let's say them together again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other numbers that you need to do in your audio recording are 11 through 20, 11 a 20. You may have less experience with these numbers. Let's say them together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can point out in these numbers various things as well with pronunciation. You'll see that 11 through 15 all end with se, because the se makes a s sound when followed by an e. Another letter that you'll see is the letter q. Just like in English, q has to be paired with u in Spanish, but it doesn't make a qu sound. Instead, it makes a k sound, such as in words like que. Let's say these numbers again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The teen numbers are simple to make. You just add 10 and 6 to make 16. 10 and 6. 10 y 6. You'll notice that when you put the E in the middle to make it like and, that the zeta changes to a se. But for pronunciation purposes, it sounds the same. Be careful to pronounce the E in the middle as an I. 10 y 6, 10 y 7, 10 y 8, 10 y 9. 20 is a B sound and not a V. 20. All the numbers from here on out are simple to put together. You'll just take your single digit numbers and add them on. So 21 would just be 21. whereas 28 would be 28. So all you need to learn from now is 30, 40, 50, 60, and then the hundreds, and you can just add the smaller numbers that you already know. Best of luck with your numbers this week.